Okay, and I'm back with another tutorial. This time, we're using LA colors. New LA colors that, well, new to me LA colors. I don't think these have been out that long though, so I think they are still somewhat new. So yeah, if you would like to see how I did this nice little green look, these green looks always make me think of the army and camo and matches my shirt. Oops, well, I did that on purpose. Anywho's, so if you'd like to see how I got this look, then stay tuned. So I've already got my primer on. I use the Ulta Beauty Satin Blush Primer because I wanted to. I need to use it. I got it, might as well use it. So, first I want to show you, it's not like great. I could have done so much better, but I kind of like doing it on your own takes forever, so I kind of got sick of doing it, but I got some makeup on them, but my little Christmas tree nails. So, yay me. They could have came out better, but what are you gonna do? So today I'm playing with some new makeup. It's new to me. It's probably been out for a little bit. I don't think it's been out too long, but it's been out for a little bit. So my husband is the best husband in the whole entire world, and he absolutely loves to support me in what I do. So he came home from the store. He had to run to the store, and he came back with all these LA color eyeshadow palettes, and I was like, I'm so excited. So first he got this LA Colors eyeshadow nude palette, and he also got this LA Colors eyeshadow bold palette. Really like this, like periwinkle color. Excited about that color. He also got the nude LA color palette. Yeah. And he got the color LA color palette. I love him. He's such a good husband. And he also got the 16 color eyeshadow palette, this one. Okay, so on the back here it says this one is sweet. So this is the one I'm going to play with today. And on the back of this one it says smokin', and this is also 16 color eyeshadow palette. Oh, am I in frame? So I am so excited to play with these, and today, because I'm wearing some army green color, we're gonna play with the greens in here, green and browns. So let's get into that. I'm very excited. I'm super excited. I'll do a look with all these palettes, by the way, just so you kind of know what's going on now. Now you kind of know what is in store. Different look with all these palettes. Here's a giant applicator. See, told you these came in eyeshadow palettes. Of course, I am going to be using a brush, but isn't this gorgeous? And just so you know, these are all shimmers. All of them in here are shimmer shades. Even the ones that look like they could be a matte, they are not. They all have shimmer. But that's okay, because we can make shimmer work. So we're gonna start with that color. We're just going to use that. Actually, hold on, let me do a quick swipe of powder. Just because I know how sticky this primer can be. I want to give these eyeshadows a good shot. Okay, so we're going to start in with that nudish color. We're just going to sweep that. There is a lot of fallout. Just a heads up, so you know. Let's move these brushes. I don't want fallout all over my brushes, which I already got some. Okay, so let's try this again. Woo. Woof. Oh, that matches my eyelid perfectly, doesn't it? Beautiful. Okay, now we're gonna go in with gonna go a little darker with this one. And go in the crease area. We'll just a hair above the crease. So these work best, I just noticed. It works best if you do not tap off the excess. Here I go saying excess again. Excess. Good Lord. That way the excess gets on your lid and you blend it in. This is gonna be quite the shimmer look today, because these are all shimmer colors, like I said. No mattes, no mattes. Okay, we're gonna grab another brush and we're going to go in with this green right there. And we're gonna put that in the crease as well. We're gonna be all types of shimmer today. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay, we're gonna go in with this dark brown and we're gonna pop that into the corner. I'm just gonna focus it right on the corner. Oh yes, yes, that's what I want. I kind of wish these came with some matte colors, but nah, whatevs. I can work with it, I can work with it. Dog's in here and I don't know why, but he's whining. Okay, we're gonna go in with a flat brush. We're gonna wet it because I think it'll help this green really pop, and that's gonna go on the lid. So let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Man, I haven't filmed in a couple days. My son stayed home yesterday at a doctor's appointment. So I haven't filmed since Friday. Ooh. Wow. Look at that green. Absolutely. Let's take a Coco. Go lay down. No, no. Go lay down. And we're gonna take this Exa Beauty that I got. Got shadow all over. Coco, go lay down. I don't know why he's freaking out. Heard the garbage trucks. I think he wants to go outside, but guess what? I don't have to wait. He literally just went out, like, when I got back from taking Cam to school. Okay, so we are gonna go back in with that lighter green. We're gonna put it back up here. Kind of disappeared when I blended. I'm just gonna pop it back up there. We're gonna go back in with that dark brown. Pop that back into the corner because it kind of disappeared as I blended it. I'm going to take a little this little tiny concealer brush that I don't ever use for concealer. I'm gonna go in to this color, and we're gonna pop that right under the brows. Yeah. That is a green look, isn't it? All right, we're gonna smoke out the bottom with the brown. Just gonna take what's left on the brush. Gonna take a little bit of that light green, what's left on this brush. Now we're gonna take some eyeliner. Hey, no, not that one. I want black eyeliner. Take the Color Workshop liquid eyeliner. Oh. Okay, well there's that. I'm going to put, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna put something somewhere. Hello. What is going on, yo? Okay, you fit in there 2 seconds ago. Why do you not fit all of a sudden? I need to get another one of these. All right, Lasting Drama by Maybelline on the bottom. So now the Jackie is gonna pop on some lashes and finish her face, and she will be right back. Hello. Okay. So this is the finished look. Put a little gloss on my Wet n Wild lipstick today. And yeah, so this is it, guys. And again, I always say we, like you're doing it with me. Maybe you are, who knows? But we use the Sweet. I wonder why they call it sweet, because it doesn't look like candy. Anyways, Sweet LA Colors 16 color eyeshadow palette. So yes. Yay, yay, yay. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, hit the like button. And if you have not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe before you leave. And hit the bell to become part of the Notification Nation. So yes, that is all for today, and now I have to go finish up some shopping. So I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.